Automotive diagnostics frequently confront mechanics with systems obscured from direct view. Critical components, often hidden behind panels or within complex assemblies, demand extensive disassembly for mere inspection. This presents a fundamental challenge. What if a technician could perceive internal structures without deconstruction? The concept of augmented reality glasses offering an invisible X-ray view inside a car represents a direct address to this dilemma. Imagine a mechanic wearing specialized eyewear, looking at an engine bay, and instantly seeing an overlay of the fuel lines, their pressure readings, or the exact routing of a wiring harness, all rendered digitally over the physical reality. This vision suggests a profound shift in diagnostic methodology, transforming a time-consuming, intrusive process into a streamlined, non-destructive one. The promise is to provide immediate, context-aware information, enhancing accuracy and reducing repair times significantly. However, achieving this invisible X-ray is not straightforward. Current augmented reality technology does not possess the capability to literally see through solid objects. The physical laws governing light and matter prevent optical penetration through opaque car parts. The challenge lies in accurately presenting digital information that X-ray vision, rather than achieving it physically, while maintaining perfect spatial alignment with the vehicle's intricate architecture. Augmented reality functions by superimposing computer-generated images onto a user's view of the real world. This is typically achieved using optical see-through displays or video see-through cameras. The core mechanism involves tracking the user's head and the environment to render virtual content from the correct perspective, making it appear as if the digital objects coexist with physical ones. The X-ray aspect, therefore, relies on sophisticated data integration, not literal material transparency. The perception of seeing inside a car via AR glasses is an illusion of information display. It leverages detailed digital models of vehicle components, which are then precisely aligned with their real-world counterparts. When a mechanic views a car, the AR system projects internal structures from these models, positioned accurately in three-dimensional space, giving the impression of transparency. This requires continuous, high-precision spatial awareness of both the user and the vehicle. Central to this capability is robust spatial mapping and localization. The AR system must accurately build a real-time 3D map of the mechanic's environment and precisely locate the vehicle within that map. Techniques like simultaneous localization and mapping, or SLAM, using camera data and inertial measurement units, are critical. This allows the system to understand where the car is, where its components are in relation to each other, and where the mechanic is looking. The source of this invisible information is multifaceted. It primarily originates from computer-aided design, or CAD, models provided by manufacturers, which contain exact geometries of every component. This is augmented by real-time data streams from the vehicle's onboard diagnostics, such as sensor readings, fault codes, and operational parameters. The AR system synthesizes this static structural data with dynamic performance data to create a comprehensive overlay. A significant technical hurdle remains the precise calibration and continuous alignment of these digital models with the physical vehicle. Even minor discrepancies in vehicle positioning, environmental lighting, or sensor drift can lead to misalignments, rendering the overlay useless or misleading. The system must account for manufacturing tolerances, minor collision damage, and even thermal expansion or vibrations of components, which constantly alter relative positions. To overcome these challenges, advanced sensor fusion techniques are employed. Multiple sensor modalities, including high-resolution cameras for visual tracking, LiDAR for depth sensing, and inertial measurement units for motion tracking, are combined. Each sensor provides complementary data, and sophisticated algorithms fuse this input to produce a more accurate and robust understanding of the environment and the vehicle's pose, minimizing drift and improving spatial registration. Another complex problem is occlusion handling. When one physical component obstructs the view of another, a true X-ray would show the hidden part. For AR, the system must decide whether to render the hidden digital component as if seen through the obstruction, or to simply not display it. Advanced rendering techniques and predictive modeling, using the vehicle's known geometry, can selectively render hidden parts with an appropriate visual effect, such as transparency or wireframe. The practical applications extend beyond simple diagnostics. Mechanics could follow intricate repair procedures step by step, with torque specifications, fastener types, and tool recommendations overlaid directly onto the components. For training, new technicians could virtually explore internal systems, understanding their function and interaction without costly physical disassembly. This enhances precision, reduces human error, and accelerates learning curves. Realizing this technology demands substantial hardware capabilities. AR glasses require high-resolution, wide field-of-view displays to accurately render complex overlays without visual distortion. Powerful embedded processors are necessary for real-time spatial mapping, sensor fusion, and rendering. Robust wireless connectivity ensures seamless data transfer from vehicle systems and cloud-based CAD repositories. Miniaturized, high-precision sensors are also paramount. The integration of such detailed digital models and real-time vehicle data also raises concerns regarding data security and intellectual property. The precise internal architecture of a vehicle is proprietary information. Ensuring secure data transmission, storage, and access control for these sensitive digital assets is critical to prevent unauthorized replication or exploitation. While a complete invisible X-ray remains an aspirational goal, significant progress has been made. Research prototypes and early commercial solutions demonstrate AR overlays for specific diagnostic tasks, such as highlighting wiring paths or identifying specific modules. These systems often focus on specific vehicle segments or common repair scenarios, limiting their scope but proving the underlying technical feasibility for focused applications. The widespread adoption of this technology hinges on further advancements in several areas. Improvements in spatial tracking accuracy, reduction of visual latency, expansion of the field of view, and a significant decrease in hardware costs are all necessary. The ultimate goal is a system that can reliably and seamlessly present complex internal information, making the mechanic's invisible X-ray a standard tool in every service bay.